Students, open your English textbook, page number 56. First, counting clouds. This is the first exercise. Here we have to complete the story. See, some pictures are given and one story is given. As one little white cloud floated in the sky one day, another little cloud called out, "Come, let us play." Right? Here two clouds are talking. As two little clouds danced in the sky so blue, another little cloud asked, "Can I join you?" Right? First one cloud is there and it is floated. At that time one more cloud come and told that let's play. Then when they both were dancing, at that time one more cloud, third cloud came and that cloud told, "Can I join you?" As three little clouds held hands in the sky, the wind blew another little cloud very close by. Right? Wind aaya and one more cloud joined them. As four little clouds decided to do, another little cloud joined them very quietly too. Right? They four have decided what to do. Right? At that time one more little cloud joined them. So it was fifth one. Now here we have to write what the fifth and the sixth clouds did. Okay, you can write any of your imagination that what they both will do. So write here and then I will also give you one answer, but you can write here also your answer. So think and here what we can write. Let's do. Now students, here you can write like this. As five little clouds came close laughing, another little cloud joined them hoping. We have seen that five clouds, right, came close and they were laughing. At that time one more, sixth cloud joined them and that was hoping. As six little clouds spoke of white and blue. Now six little clouds were talking of white and blue, right? At that time another little cloud joined them too. At that time one more small cloud joined them too. So now how many clouds there are? There are seven clouds. See here you can see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So now these seven clouds are talking. So you can write like this.